Hello, class. I'm going to do a recording now for one of your co-rec lessons. It's lesson 2.1. It's called Introduction to Fractions and Mixed Numbers, and that's going to be on page 28. So you can go and get your co-rec workbook out on page 28, and I'm going to fix my document camera. We'll get started in just a bit. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so this is one of your sheets in your co-rec workbook. It's a good reference page. It says preface, uh, Roman numeral 5. And we are gearing up for quiz 3 now, which covers 2.1 and 2.5. And so I'm going to go over lesson 2.1 today and do the recording for that. Okay. Remember, you have little take-home sheets that you can practice on. And remember that you also have practice quizzes that you can do when you're getting ready to take your quiz. So you always have extra work. And the good thing is the answers are in the back of the book so that you can quickly check to see if your answers look like what you're getting. So you can double check that. And if you ever have questions, also don't forget about Math Row, the tutoring center. During the summer times, they're open, for example, Monday through Thursdays in the summertime. 8, I think it's 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. But they're the extra resource for tutoring. And then don't forget, you have in your modules in Canvas, on the left-hand side, you have a Brain Fuse online, 24/7 tutoring, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Every student has 300 minutes paid of tutoring from BrainFuse online tutoring services. And so you should take advantage of your 300 minutes because they're paid for already. The college is paid for that. Okay. And so, of course, I'll try my best to explain everything in the lesson so that hopefully you can just understand it just from the lesson, and you may not need additional tutoring. But if you do, I'm just mentioning your resources. Okay, extra resources. So on page 28, it says section 2.1 lesson, intro to fractions and mixed numbers. And it wants us to make use of our table of primes numbers. And although it says page 4, I'm not sure if that's on page 4, but I think it's a Roman numeral page now. I think it's Roman numeral 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. But here's your list of primes. So it says something about making use of your table of prime numbers. So here's your prime numbers. The smallest prime in the world is 2. And although there are more primes than this goes as high as 997. But these are prime numbers. Prime numbers mean that they all have just exactly 2 factors. All these numbers have exactly 2 factors, namely 1 and the number itself. So 2 is equal to 1 times 2. 3 is equal to 1 times 3. So all these have just 2 factors, okay? And that's why they're called prime. And then you just want to have your multiplication charts handy. So you've got the 12 by 12. It's also in your workbook, Roman numeral 6. And then you've got your super duper multiplication chart, 30 by 30. This list, see all the square roots, perfect square root, like the square root of 81 is 9. The square root of 144 is 12. The square root of 256 is 16. Okay, that means 16 times 16 gives you 256. So 16 times 16 gives you 256. So those are all the perfect square roots are along this diagonal. So just FYI for your information. Okay. So it says, what is lowest terms? So they answer, they say that it's the smallest number that a numerator and a denominator becomes when a fraction is reduced by its greatest common factor. So often you can abbreviate it as GCF. Okay. So you should reveal that GCF to your instructor when you're reducing. Let the instructor know as a courtesy, what did you reduce it by? What was your greatest common factor? Okay. So 1 and 2 say change the following improper fractions. These are improper fractions because see how 46 is bigger than 10? See how 40 is bigger than 10? So improper means that the numerator is going to be larger than the denominator. So numerator is larger than denominator. That makes it improper. So change the following improper fraction to a mixed number. Okay, mixed number has this look. Has that look to it? Mixed number with the fraction part reduced to lowest term. So they're talking about like this fractional part reduced to lowest terms, and then show some kind of work for full credit. Okay, so for 146 divided by 10, this fraction, you definitely can reduce by 2. Okay, so you just tell me that you're reducing by 2, so put the little division symbol and then start reducing by 2. So 46 divided by 2 is 23. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. And then I don't think that can be reduced again because 23 happens to be a prime number, and so is 5. See, 5 is on here. So is 23. Those are both prime numbers. So I don't think that can be reduced again. If you try to reduce by 23, you'll see you'll get a decimal. 23 divided by 23, that's 1. But so 23 divided by 23 is 1. But when you do 5 divided by 23, see how you get a decimal? You get a decimal of 0.217, and a dot, dot, dot goes on and on. So that's I'm gonna put an X slash to that and an X slash to that. That's not allowed. So that must, if you can't reduce it by another number, like we're trying to reduce by 23, we can't, getting decimals, then I would say that you could, well, I was going to say you could stop there, but that is improper. That is still improper. It was improper over here. The top number 46 is bigger than 10. Still improper. 23 is bigger than 5. But they want you to change it to a mixed number. So that we can do mixed number. So if I do long division, 23 divided by 5. So 5 goes into 23 4 times. 5 times 4 is 20. 23 minus 20 is just 3. So it looks like there's 3 remainder, 3 left over. So record it clockwise. Okay. So 23 over 5 is equal to 4 and 3/5. 4 and 3/5. Okay. So you record these not counter, you record clockwise, not counterclockwise. Counterclockwise would be this way, against the clock, not counter, but clockwise. So start this way. Okay. And that's what they want to mix, in this case, a mixed number. Okay. This is mix. Okay. So for showing your work, you know, this is showing your work, right? That you're dividing by 2, and then mixed number. You're doing your little long division there. Okay, so you're showing your work. Number 2, 40 over 10. Okay, one thing you can do is like powers of 10. What you can do is you can knock out for every 0 on top and the back. You can knock out a 0 on the bottom. I don't know if you know that. It's like a 1-for-1 ratio. That's allowed. So for every n0 on top, you can knock out n0 on the bottom. And if you do that, then you're just left with 4 over 1. And 4 over 1 is going to just be simplified just into 4. So here on number 2, they would want 4. They wouldn't want you to record something as 4 over 1. They would prefer you to write it as 4. Now, or 40 over 10. If you wanted to reduce it by 10, you could. Because you know your divisibility rules. Let me get that sheet out that has your divisibility rules. Let's see. That's on Roman numeral 6, I believe. Roman numeral 6. There's a divisibility rule for 10. So a whole number is divisible by 10 if the ones place value digit of the whole number being tested is a digit 0. So in other words, if the whole number being tested ends in a 0. The whole number being tested ends in a 0. So yeah, this ends in 0, and so does this. 40 and 10 end in 0. So you should be able to divide by 10. Okay, because of the divisibility. That's the divisibility rule. So 40 divided by 10. Looks like it's 4. Okay. So both students are getting 4, and that's how they want you to record it. Don't write it as 4 over 1, because 4 over 1 is simplifies to 4, and I can show you in the calculator. 4 divided by 1 is just 4. Okay. And although they were asking for a mixed number, this is fine in this case. This is fine because it ended up being 4 over 1. Okay. All right, now on 3 and 4, it says find the quotient. So that's the answer you get after you divide. Find the quotient. Reduce to simplest terms. If the value is undefined, type undefined. Rewrite using long division to 8. Okay. So first of all, 0 divided by 56, that looks like this. You would want to set this up on your paper, on your test paper. 0 divided by 56, that's correct. 0 divided by 56. And remember, your divisor has to be a counting number. So I'm going to write that down. Let's look at my notes over here. Let's see. I thought I had another sheet of notes, but that's fine. Let me just write this here. So divisors must be counting numbers. Divisors must be counting numbers. So 56 is a counting. This is good. This is acceptable. Okay. You cannot have decimals here. You cannot have 0. 0 is a whole number. Okay. This is counting numbers. Decimal. That's okay. So divisors must be counting numbers. Okay. So you have, this is read 0 divided by 56. So how many 56s, right, can go into 0? How many groups of 56s can go into 0? And you would say none. That marbles. How many 56s go into 0? That would be none, 0. So no groups of 56. And so 56 times 0 is 0, and 0 minus 0 is 0. It's a remainder. So 0 divided by 56 is just 0. Okay. And a cute way to spell this, a memory mnemonic, one spells no, one spells on. This one would be the on. The 0 serves like the letter O, and the number 56 spells out in, capital N for number, and that spells out on. Like think of Fonzie, right on, right on. You can do that, right on. Okay. And so that one, you can do that division, that one's 0. But the other one, this one, 129 divided by 0. I'm going to set it up correctly. 129 divided by 0. This needs to be a counting number. So this is not allowed. This is not allowed. You're not allowed to leave this 0 here as this divisor. So not allowed. So this is your divisor. So it's got to be a counting number. Divisors must be counting numbers, not whole numbers. Counting numbers, not whole numbers. Okay. So zero starts with whole numbers. 1 starts with counting numbers. So counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, so on and so on. Counting numbers start with 1. Whole numbers start with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so on. So if we say 129 divided by 0 is equal to, would you have some kind of result for that? You would say that this is undefined. This is undefined. And I think your calculator to a certain extent does that for you. 129 divided by 0. It says dividing by 0 error. Okay. And this one spells no. The 129, let that be N, represent the number N, and the 0 represent O, letter O, and this spells no. Where this spells on, right on, all systems go, this one spells no. You cannot do this setup. That's why this one's undefined. Okay, that should always work. Okay, number 5, reducing this fraction to simplest forms. And notice how they end in a 5, 25 divided by 55. So remember your divisibility rules for 5. And the whole number is divisible by 5 if and only if one's place value digit of the whole number being tested is the digit 0 or 5. Okay. So is your number being tested, is that divisible by 5? So yeah, it ends in a 5, so 5 should work. So reveal that to your teacher. They're going to use 5, division 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. And 55 divided by 5 is 11. Okay. So 55 divided by 5 is 11. Okay, and that's lowest terms because 5 and 11 are already prime numbers. So 5 and 11 are already prime numbers. 5 and 11 are already prime numbers. Okay, number 6, it says, raise the following fraction to higher terms as indicated. Write as an equivalent fraction. Show your work, not just, the answer, and the answer will go here, the number that goes there where the question mark is at for full credit. Okay, so I'll show you like three ways to do this. Okay, so one method to show your work is you can take your second denominator and divide it by the first denominator. So you can take the second denominator and you're going to divide it by the first denominator. So the second denominator is 64. And you divide it by the first denominator, which is 16. And so they're going to answer that question. What is 64 divided by 16? It's only 4. Okay. So then what you can do is that 4, now you want to circle that. Now you're going to multiply the numerator and denominator by multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. So 64 divided by 16 is 4. Now multiply the numerator and the denominator by 4. So the numerator and denominator by 4. Yeah, and then you'll figure that 9 times 4, that's 36, and then 16 times 4, yeah, 16 times 4. Do that as a check. 16 times 4. Good. See, it's supposed to give you 64. It does. And then 9 times 4. 36. But I have it. Excuse me. I have 36 written right here. There's a 9 times 4. There's a 36. Okay. And that's your answer. Okay, so I did this 64 to now divided by the first one, 16, that gave me 4. And then I multiplied the numerator and denominator by that number, by that number 4, and it worked. It worked out just fine. Okay, now I'm going to show you another method of solving it. Another method is to find the least common denominator, least common multiple. So you have 64 and you have 16. And we're looking for the LCD. Okay, so if I look at my list of prime numbers, I list my multiples. These are my multiples. My multiples of 64, or excuse me, yeah, it's going to go off the chart because this is a 30 by 30, but 64, you would hope that you just have to use one multiple. 64 times 1 is 64, and you would hope you would get on the first try because that's a pretty big number. But I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what 16 says. So 16 times 1 is 16 times 2 times 3 times 4. 16 times 1 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. 16 times 3, 48. Sixteen times what's next? 38. So I have 16, 32, 48, 64, and 80. Okay, so LCD equals LCM, right? And it's going to be 64. It's going to be 64 LCM. Okay, so what you're gonna do now is you're gonna come over and count on the 16s. 16, you have, if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, you need 4 multiples of 16. So we need 4. We need 4 multiples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 4 multiples of 16. So that's why here, you come over here and you multiply 16 times 4. And what you do to the bottom, you also do the top. 9 times 4 is 36. So these are the same numbers, they're both 4. But that's enough to jumpstart this side. And when you do 9 times 4, it's 36. I think I remember in the past semester students would stop too early, like they would just stop here with the 4 and they think they're done. You've got to follow through and multiply 9 times 4 on the top, and on the bottom 16 times 4. Okay, and then there is one other method is solving a proportion. Solving a proportion. So here you put 9 over 16 equals x over 64. And you do, so you notice how you put an x here, you're solving for x. And you're going to do cross products. 9 times 64. Okay, so 9 times 64, let's multiply that. 9 times 64 is 576. 16 times x. So 16 times x is just 16x, so equals 16x. Okay, so 9 times 64 is 9 times 64 is 576. And 16 times x is 16x. So now I'm going to divide both sides by 16. 576 divided by 16. $576 divided by 16. Looks like it's 36. 576 divided by 16. It's 36. Yep, and see that's what we have right here. So when you cross multiply, 9 to 64 is 576, 16 times x, 16x, and then save that, save your paperwork, right? So you do cross products and then divide by itself, which will be 16, as you could say here. And it gives you x equals to 8 on this side. 8 because I'm gonna say x equals. So 576 divided by 60 is 34, and then 34. Oh, this is messy. So 9 times 64 is 576. 16 times x is 16x. Divide both sides by 16. And 576 divided by 16 is 36. And that can be seen. Everything's clear. Okay, so that's another way of doing that. But either way, all three ways we got the answer, which is 36. So you have these three methods to use. So you should probably like stop the video and then try it. And then when you turn it back on, we'll check our answer just to see. Okay, so use any of the three methods you like, this one, or this one. And then when you turn it back on, I'll show you those three and we'll check your answer. Okay. So I'm assuming you turned off the video and you did it. Now we're going to come back and check it. So let's see. Did you get 64 right here for this box? Did you end up getting a 64? Because if you did, that's correct. So the thing is, you just have to show your work. This is the correct answer. So if you only have 64 and nothing else, and I can't give you the full credit because you need to show your work. So there's three methods you can use. One of them is to take your second denominator. That was method 1. You take your second denominator and you divide it by the first denominator. Second denominator divided by first denominator. So second denominator is 80 divided by first denominator is 4/3, or is that 4/5? So second denominator is 80 divided by first denominator. The first denominator is 5. 80 divided by 5 is how much? 80 divided by 5 is 16. And then once you get that and circle that, once you get that, then you can go back to your problem here, and then now you know what to multiply by. You can multiply that by 16. So 5 times 16 is 80. And if you wanted to show the other method, let's see, that was method 1. If you wanted to show the other method, method 2, you would have to work with denominators. Your denominators are 80 and your denominators are 16, and find the LCD. So I think it might be 80. 16 and another 16. It's 32. Plus another 16 is 48. So I'm also gonna use my multiplication chart. So 16 is I have 16, 32, 48, 64, and 80. That was almost there. I just have to keep, let me patient. 64 and 80 under the 16. Okay. And then the LCD equals LCM. So it looks like it's going to be 80. And then LCD was 80. Okay. So now you would check for the 5, you go back and you want to count. So you had LCD of 80. Okay, I'm sorry. You want to find LCDs of your denominator. So 80 is a denominator, but not 16. That should be 5. So over here we did 64 and 16. So here we should do 80 and 5. So sorry about that. So we have denominators of 60, denominators of 80, and denominators of 5. That's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. So how many is that? If you count those right here for 5, I should probably going to be, see, it's probably going to be 16. Let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So times 16, and then the top 4 times 16. And 4 times 16 is 64. Okay. Now, if you want to do the other one, the cross products or solving a proportion, I should say, solving a proportion. So if you want to do solving a proportion, let me put this over here, solving proportion. So you have 4/5 equals x over 80. So you will make this question mark into an x. And then you're going to cross multiply. It has to be, in this order. 4 times 80. 8 times 4 is 32. So I think that's 320 equals 5x. And now you're solving for x, so you just divide by 5. And 5 goes into 30 about 5 times. 5 times, how many 5s go into, or actually you're dividing, right? 320 divided by 5, right? 320 divided by 5 is 64. 320 divided by 5 is 64. And that's what they wanted you to get. See? That's correct. Okay, so we provided you with 3 methods. We did 2 problems, so hopefully you have a method that you like and you can explain it to somebody that we get a memory process going of what you learned. All right, so everybody have time to write that down already? Okay, so hopefully you have those 3 options. So whichever option, like method 1 or method 2, which is the multiples. And then your classmate was doing like more like solving a proportion. It's like solving a proportion type problem. Okay, now on 8, change the following mixed numbers to an improper fraction and then reduce if possible. And I want you to show your work. Okay, so on this one, what I want you to do to show your work is put a little times here and a little plus there. And so the idea is this would equal 30 times 18 plus 2, and it's all over the denominator, which the denominator looks like it's a 30. Okay, so what you're doing is you're taking the denominator and you're multiplying it times the whole number, and then you're adding the numerator, and then it's all over the denominator. So denominator, which is 30, times the whole number, which is 18, plus the numerator, which is 2, all over the denominator, which is 30. That's the formula for that. So that's why I just do times and plus, okay? And then on your calculator, you're going to do 30 times 18. 30 times 18 is 540 plus 2 over 30. And 540 plus 2 is 542, over 30. And then you just want to reduce that to lowest terms. These are even numbers. Remember, even numbers end in a 0, a 2, a 4, a 6, or an 8. So this ends in 2, this ends in 0, so it's even. So you know for sure you're safe by 2. You just maybe might have to reduce by a whole bunch of 2s. We're not sure yet. But you know you can start off with 542 divided by 2, which is 271. And 30 divided by 2 is 15. And yeah, I think that's about all you can do, because if you check out on your prime numbers, look how 271 is on there. See that? That's a prime number. So the only way this could be reduced is like if 271 went into both of them, but you're going to see you're going to get a decimal. 271 divided by 271, that's just 1. And 15 divided by 271, you see you're going to get a decimal. 0.055 ... That's just messy. That's not allowed. It's wrong. So what that means is that we could have just stopped here, because 271 was prime. Nothing will go into a prime number except itself, right? 1, trivial 1, and itself. But the 271 went into 271, but it won't go into 15 evenly. So you get that small number. So that means we stopped here. And this is improper. This is an improper fraction, and that's okay. They didn't say that you had to make it into a mixed number. If you look at the directions, you have a mixed number here, and then you're changing it to improper, and they want this. This is considered improper. All right. Number 9, reduce the fraction to simplest form, reveal common divide. Yeah, so always, like when you take your quiz, always reveal what you're reducing it by. So I know, and when you try to reduce, I always try to reduce by primes. So your primes, like you have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. Usually I put a couple 29s. So you just try to reduce by preferably by prime numbers first, right? Or you keep in mind also your divisibility rules, but 2 won't work because in order for 2 to work, they both have to be even, and 39 is not even. So 2 won't work. Maybe 3 will work. Let's try 3. 48 divided by 3. Yes, that works. That gives you 16. And 39 divided by 3. Yes, that gives you 13. Okay, so it looks like that's 16 over 3. Oh, 16 over 13, 16 over 13. And then can that be reduced again? 13 is a prime number, right? If you look on your list of prime numbers. See, 13 is a prime number. So that can only be reduced like if 13 goes into both of them, but it doesn't. 16 divided by 13, you're going to get a decimal. 1.2307, blah, blah, blah. And 13 divided by 13 is 1. But you're not allowed to have these decimals like that. So no to this and no to this. So you just stop at the 16 over 13. You can stop there. Okay. And we'll reveal the common divisor. We're revealing the common divisor right there. Okay, number 10, make sure the fraction is to its reduce the fraction to its simplest form. Reveal common twister. Reveal common divisor used. Reveal common divisor used. Okay, so let's see. What did y'all try? What are some things that y'all tried? Let's see, because that's 49 and 126. So if I go down this list, I know 2 won't work because 49 is not even. If I go down this list, 3, I don't know, maybe 3 will work. Let's try and see. 49 divided by 3. Nope, we get a decimal. You get 16.333, and it goes on and on and on. So no. So it can't be 3. Okay, so then 49 divided by 126. So if it's not 3, what else can you try? We already tried 3, it doesn't work. You don't want to use 5 because you only use 5 if the number ends in a 5. So a number divisible by 5 if it ends in a 0 or 5. So this doesn't end in a 0 or 5. So it can't be 5. And maybe 7. Let's try 7. 49 divided by 7. 126 divided by 7. So 49 divided by 7. I think I multiplied instead of divided, right? It's supposed to divide. 49 divided by 7. That's much better. 7. And 126 divided by 7 is 10. 49 divided by 7 is 7. 129 divided by 7. 120 is 18. I guess that's okay. We got 49 divided by 7 is 7, and 126 divided by 7 is 18. Oh, this needs to be 18. And that can be reduced. 7's a prime number, so only maybe 7 going to both of them, but 7's a prime number. And yeah, I would say we're done. We'll get that 7 over 18. Okay. So this is lowest, that's lowest terms. Okay. Do you have any questions for this section? I think that was it. I think that was, we're just reducing. So after we're reducing, do you have more practice problems you can do on your own, take home? You have your answer, see, on page 83, you've got your answer key to the math prep workbook. So we were doing 2.1 section here. And then don't forget you have your practice quizzes. We're going to take quiz 3 this week, or actually next week, over 2.1 and 2.5. So don't forget to work on your practice quizzes. Okay. All right, class. Okay. Okay, so sorry if I dozed off a little bit. I tried to do it earlier in the day, but still I dozed off a little bit. I think I'm gonna just double check to make sure I don't have any errors in my work, but I'm pretty sure I did them correctly. May have dozed off a little bit, but I just want to make sure that my answers are correct. Let me just check them all out. I think we're good. I think we're good. Yeah, we're good. All right. Okay. Have a good one. Take care. Bye.